Anyone with access to a digital asset can create and sell NFT tokens. If you have GIFs, images, music, or articles on your computer, you can create NFTs and sell them later if someone needs them. But what exactly are NFTs? Today, I will show you step-by-step what they are, how to sell NFTs, and why people are purchasing them. Watch the full video to become an NFT pro, since many people are making thousands if not millions off of them. And you could be the next NFT millionaire. Hello, welcome back to Tech Factuala. In this video, we'll discuss NFTs. So, please take a brief moment, go down, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go subscribe to stay connected. NFT is an abbreviated non-fungible token. Fungibility is the property of a good or commodity whose individual units are interchangeable and each part is indistinguishable from another part. We tend to use fungible assets for business because they're the best types of assets to use to make purchases. Since $1 always equals $1, the same could be said for 1 ounce of silver. No value was lost, and both are interchangeable to one another. They are essentially the same. They are fungible. However, a non-fungible asset is any commodity whose value is specific to it and is not equally interchangeable to its duplicate. So real estate or property is an example of a non-fungible asset because one home in America will not have the same value as another home in America. This is due to the maintenance of the home, the location of the home, and the size of the home. Now, even if the asset is the same, like let's say 2 Mercedes made in the same manufacturer line with the same year, specifications, and color, the reality is each Mercedes has its own unique experience. One car might have a manufacturer defect, the other car might have a slightly more efficient gas mileage, but at the end of the day, the car's value is specific to the car. Therefore, these cars cannot be equally exchanged in value. However, the gas they use can be interchanged, since 1 liter of gas is equivalent to another liter of gas, and thus gas is a fungible asset. Other examples of non-fungible assets are artwork, collectibles, anything from Pokemon cards to action figures, and encrypted digital tokens, also known as NFTs. NFTs are digital certifications that are stored on the blockchain, similar to how Bitcoin or Ethereum is stored on the public crypto ledger or the public record-keeping system. So from that, we have an NFT, which is a digital asset that cannot be equally interchanged for any other digital asset, and it's publicly verified through the blockchain. Now, what's the big deal? Why are people spending hundreds of thousands or millions on these images that nobody could technically print on a screen or take a snapshot from their camera? Reason number 1, NFTs are verifiable on the blockchain, and no one can technically steal your ownership. Number 2, flexing powers. People love to flex, especially people who love to flex their social status and the assets they own. As the world becomes more digital, everything from Netflix to social media to our work is heavily reliant on this digital world known as the internet. So a lot of NFTs are collectible, and this collectability can heavily influence its value. You can see this in Pokemon cards, Your cards, Digimon cards, and the Magic Gathering cards, and probably anything else that's similar to these. As a result, NFT sets gain a huge following, and thus the demand for them increases, so their price skyrocketed. Many NFT collectibles are purchased by those who actually like the artist's work or the community the NFT is set by. However, other people purchase NFT collectibles because they see them possibly gaining traction and profit from it. So they will quickly purchase NFT collectibles and then hopefully flip them for a profit. Now, this whole niche of NFTs is brand new, and most NFTs collectibles and NFT websites become worthless. Though a tiny percentage will definitely be around in the long term, they will increase in value. So I think it's wise to know what NFTs are and how to buy and sell them. Alright, so now that we've learned what NFTs are, let's go and do some NFT creation and selling. So, how to create NFT art. What about people who don't want to learn how to buy NFT tokens and instead want to create their own? Creating NFT artwork is quite simple and does not need much understanding of the crypto business. Before starting, a creator must decide how much blockchain they want to use to issue their NFTs. Of course, Ethereum is the most popular blockchain service for this purpose. Still, various other blockchains are gaining in popularity, such as Cosmos, Tezos, Polkadot, Tron, and Binance Smart Chain. Every blockchain has its own NFT token standard, markets, and wallet services. So, if someone were to create NFTs on Binance Smart Chain, for example, those NFTs could only be used on platforms that supported Binance Smart Chain assets. As a result, they couldn't sell them on an NFT marketplace based on Ethereum, such as OpenSea. Because Ethereum is the most widely used NFT ecosystem, let's take a look at what it takes to create an NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. To begin, an NFT creator will need an Ethereum wallet that supports ERC-721, Ethereum's NFT token standard. Some wallets fit, such as Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Engine, and Descent. An NFT's creator will also need about $50 to $100 worth of Ether tokens. Users of the Coinbase wallet can purchase Ether from Coinbase using US dollars or another fiat currency. Other users will need to buy Ether from a cryptocurrency exchange and transfer it to the wallet they created in the previous step. Now it's time to create NFT art using a marketplace. It's time to pick a platform after you've created a wallet and funded it with Ether. Various NFT-focused services enable users to link their wallets and submit the photos or files they want to turn into NFTs. OpenSea is the most famous NFT market on Ethereum. This marketplace has a Create button located in the upper right corner. But first, let's have a look at how OpenSea works. When you click Create, you'll be taken to a screen where you'll be asked to connect to your Ethereum-based wallet. The wallet will connect to the marketplace when you enter the wallet password as requested. To verify ownership, you may be required to sign a message in their Ethereum wallet. Next, hover over the Create icon and choose My Collections. Then you'd press the blue Create button. A window will pop up to upload the image or file you want to convert to an NFT. Fill up the blanks with your name and a description. Essentially, you're making a folder in which to store the NFTs you make. When you attach an image to a collection, it'll show on the left side of the screen. Then, at the upper right, pick the pencil symbol to add a banner picture. At this point, you can start making NFTs. To start, select Add New Item and sign a message with your wallet. You'll then be sent to a new window where you may upload the file you want to convert to an NFT, whether it's audio, a picture, or a GIF. Users on OpenSea and similar platforms may also add additional features to their NFTs to make them more unique. You may also provide exclusive content that the customer can only see. This might include discount coupons or passwords that allow purchasers to access specific services. After you've finished, click Create at the bottom of the screen and sign another wallet message to confirm that you've created your NFT. The token will subsequently be added to your collection. So, you have done your first NFT creation. Fantastic! Hold on. Please click the subscribe button to get notified for more updates. And do you have any questions so far? Then tell us in the comments below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Some NFTs are only available on a limited number of platforms. For example, to purchase an NBA Top Shot pack of virtual trading cards, a user needs to register to an account with an NBA Top Shot and create a Dapper wallet. The buyer will then fund their wallet with either the USDC stablecoin or any of the supported fiat currency options. After that, a buyer must wait for a card pack to drop and purchase a pack before it sells out. Okay, now maybe you want to sell your NFTs. Let's discuss its complete process. Once you've purchased an NFT, you'll need to decide whether to keep it or sell it. To sell an NFT, the token must be published on a marketplace. To do so, locate the Sale button on the NFT in your collection that you want to sell. When you click Sell, you'll be sent to a price page where you may negotiate the transaction details. You have the option of having a fixed price or an auction sale. NFTs are generally sold in exchange for Ether or ERC20 tokens. However, some platforms will only allow you to sell for the native token of their blockchain. NFT artists can also receive royalties for their artwork each time a token is sold to a new person. Set this up in OpenSea by clicking the Edit button and selecting the option to feed royalties into an NFT. You would be paid royalties in a variety of ERC20 tokens. Once that option is chosen, creators get royalties automatically using smart contracts. Overall, learning about NFT tokens as well as creating and selling them is not difficult. Developers have designed graphic user interfaces to make the procedure as easy as possible. But of course, having previous experience with using cryptocurrency wallets will be a big help. So guys, do you have any questions regarding NFTs? Don't hesitate to add your queries in the comments section. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get alerted with our latest content. This is Factuala, and that's all for today. Thanks for your time. Be happy,